morning everyone. Hope you all having a wonderful day. So in today's video we are going to take a break from the skincare products and we are going to do something different. We are going to do an unboxing video. Filippo Loreti very kindly sent me one of their beautiful watches and that's what I'm going to show you today. So we are going to do an unboxing together. About the brand, Filippo Loreti is an Italian brand started by two brothers. The main objective of the brand is to create well-designed, sophisticated and decent quality watches at a fraction of a price compared to some other companies. So by no means we are comparing this watch with the Rolex. Obviously Rolex uses a very high quality material and hence their markup is really high. Filippo Loreti offers a very sophisticated, decent quality and really affordable watches. Most of their watches are under $200 and they come with 10 years warranty. So the watch comes in this box like this, and then you can open this box from here and then you can see the logo Filippo Loreti if the light hits. Yes. And then you have got this little envelope from Filippo Loreti, and if we open this envelope, it has got a little welcome note for you which says welcome to the Filippo Loreti family. If you can see this, yes. And then these are some of the instructions which comes with it, and that's how this instruction card looks like. So then you have got this box which has got Filippo Loreti logo on it. I'm just trying, if the light hits then you can see. Yes, that's it. So this beautiful black box has got the Filippo Loreti logo on it and you have got the watch in this black box. So that's how the actual watch looks like. Look at this. How beautiful is this watch? Look at this beautiful blue dial. So the name of this watch is Venice Moon face. Look how pretty this is. Look at the detailing of this strap. Absolutely stunning detailing, and this strap is made up of stainless steel and this glass is a sapphire crystal. So now let's look at the dimensions of this beautiful watch. So casing is 40 millimeter. Thickness of the watch is 9 millimeter and the movement is Miyota 6P00. So if you like the design of this watch but you are not a fan of the color scheme, they also have got so many other colors available which might suit your taste. So this beautiful watch comes with the 3 dials. You can see these 3 little dials inside. So there's one dial which tells which day of the week it is, and then there is another dial which tells which month it is, and then there is a little dial on the top which tells you the date of the month, and then you can see a little moon phase dial at the bottom. So really pretty, really beautiful watch. So if you look at the crown, you will see another beautiful detailing on the crown. It's like a star. Absolutely stunning. Can you see? Yes. And then on the back, there is another beautiful engraving here and it says Basilica di San Marco. Absolutely gorgeous. So look at this. Absolutely stunning watch. I absolutely love it. If you can see, my wrist is like tiny and I always find it difficult to find watches which fits me snugly. This is a beautiful fit. You can make this watch loose, you can make it tight. It's really beautiful. You can wear it every day. It's really comfortable and really easy to accessorize as well. So thank you so much Filippo Loreti for gifting me this beautiful watch. So if you guys like this watch, you can check out Filippo Loreti website. They have got so many other amazing designs and color schemes, and most of their watches are under $200 US. That's all about today's video, guys. If you enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion is really important for me to improve my videos. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.